Hi everyone, it's Nikki from Petomania Stop. Today I thought I would try out Make Market's version of glow in the dark, and I'm going to print out a bunch of little Scotties. You remember those glow in the dark stars that we had as a kid in our room on our roof? Well, I thought I would make little Scotties, so I am going to try this out. All right, I've run it through the Cricut machine. Let's see how it weeds. Oh, good. So far, so good. I used glow in the dark vinyl on more pressure, and it's weeding excellent. This is amazing. I'm very happy about that. All right, so there they are. So the next step is to find a dark room so we can see what these look like. It's awesome. Just a little side mention here. I did notice that with more pressure, there was a couple spots, well, only a very few, that actually were cutting all the way through the liner. So these could almost be cut out like die cuts if you maybe ran it through twice. But I didn't really want it to cut through the liner. But I'm just mentioning that maybe you don't need more pressure, depending on how sharp your blade is. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Those are so awesome. I love this. Can't wait to put some in my room. I'm going to put some on some light switches too. Okay, so I'm really happy about this. I love glow in the dark. I have since I was a little kid. So again, this was using the Make Market glow in the dark, and this is from Michaels. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. And oh, and I'm probably going to be selling these on my Petomania stop on Etsy. Glow in the dark dog stickers. So if you are interested and don't want to make them yourself, you can buy them from me. Anyways, take care, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.